¿Estás bien? No, calma, calma. Non è preciso, non è preciso ora. Non si dovrà venire, se calma. Calma, non è preciso.
Andiamo come on board.
No, it's okay. Thank you. I'll scoot in. No, it's okay. Thank you. Aquí.
Ladies and gentlemen, and a very warm welcome for this show. It's flight to Madeira. This is a co-share flight with our one-line Irish partners. To help us get you
Okay, so we're finally on the plane now.
boarding pass and your handbag
Okay.
is safe this way.
You okay?
Please hold back.
That's good, that's good.
Stay must remain
So, yeah.
and all our directions.
Let's see if I can get the view outside. We got the wing. ¿Estás bien?
you're arriving at Cristiano Ronaldo International Airport. Until then, please do remain seated and with your seatbelt fastened, and until the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt signs. It is safe now to make and receive calls, as well as use all data services on any handheld electronic devices. And before leaving us this morning, please do ensure that you have absolutely all of your personal belongings with you, and do kindly note that smoking is not allowed until you have reached a designated area. Now once again, once the seatbelt signs have been switched off, we do thank you for your continued cooperation by remaining in your seat and refraining from collecting any of your personal belongings from overhead stowages. And that's because as we disembark today, we're going to do so in smaller groups, and we're therefore asking that you remain seated until we have announced your roll number. Thank you for that.